Hello everyone, welcome to Mahila Samachar digital classes. This is your maths tutor from Mahila Samachar High School. I welcome you all to the 8th standard mathematics presentation of the chapter linear equations in one variable. Children, in this presentation, we'll discuss about the linear equations in one variable of exercise 2.4, and this is the part 6th video of the concerned chapter. Children, let us come to the first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Amina thinks of a number. She thinks of a number in her mind and she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. She multiplies that result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Children, think yourself as Amina. See, imagine a number in your mind. Subtract that from that number, subtract 5 by 2. Then for that result what you obtained is there. No? To that result multiply the 8. The result what obtained is 3 times the same number that you thought in your mind. So, we want to find that number now. Children, let the number be x. Number which thought by the Amina as x. According to the given question, see, x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Children, you know, Amina thinks of a number. The number she thinks is x. And she subtracts 5 by 2 from it, so that x minus 5 by 2. Subtracts means minus symbol. X minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. That means when she subtracts the 5 by 2 from x, then she'll obtain the result. That means she'll multiply this result by 8. So that I took here 8. 8 into x minus 5 by 2. Then the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. The number considered is x. So the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. That means 3 into x. The Amina thought the number as x now. So that 3 into x. 8 into x minus 5 by 2 equals to 3x is the linear equation obtained by the given question. So let us simplify this linear equation. 8 into x, 8x. Plus into minus, minus. Then 8 into 5 by 2, 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Children, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now write down the 8x as it is, then minus symbol also as it is, then 4 5s are 20. 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. If we simplify this linear equation, then we will get 8x minus 20 equals to 3x. Children, transposing this 3x to LHS and minus 20 to RHS, we obtain 8x plus 3x comes this side, means it becomes minus 3x is equal to, if we transpose this minus 20 to the other side of the equation, the minus 20 becomes plus 20. 8x minus 3x equals to 20. In 8x, 3x goes means we'll get 5x. 5x equals to 20. Children, dividing both sides by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. So x value becomes 4. Hence, the number that Amina thinks is 4. The number that Amina thinks is 4. Children, very simple problem, but the risk task is converting the statement into equation. Read the question twice or thrice slowly and then convert each part of the question into the form of mathematical statement. By that you will obtain the equation, children. Then you can solve that equation with very simple methods. Now let us come to the question number 2. Children, a positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number, we don't know that number. A positive number is 5 times another number. 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. One of the new number becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? Children, first let us think this positive number as x. Let us consider the positive number as x. See, the positive number is 5 times the other number, right children? So that the other number is, if the positive number is x, then the other number is 5x. Here there are two conditions, children. The first condition is if 21 is added to both the numbers. 21 is added to both the numbers means that is the first condition. We want to consider that as the first condition. So 21 is added to both the numbers means for positive number 21 is added means it becomes x plus 21. For other number 5x, if it 21 is added means 5x plus 21. It becomes 5x plus 21. If 21 is added to both the numbers is the first condition, and the second condition is then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. One of the new number becomes twice the other number. Children, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21 is there. No, these are the new numbers. One of the new number becomes the twice the other number. So that let us take the 5x plus 21 as one of the new number, which is equal to twice, that means 2 times the other new number, that means x plus 21. Now let us take this equation. 5x plus 21 equals to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 21s are 21 2s are 42. By solving the brackets, we can modify the statement as 5x plus 21 equals to 2x plus 42. Then 5x plus 2x comes this side means it becomes minus 2x equals to 42 plus 21 comes to this side means minus 21. And transposing the terms, the plus term, positive term becomes negative term becomes positive term. So that 5x minus 2x equals to 42 minus 21. In 5x 2x goes means we'll get 3x is equal to, in 42 21 goes means we'll get 21. So that the statement is 3x equals to 21, x equals to 21 divided by 3. If we transfer this multiplication 3 to other side, then it comes to the division. So x equals to 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 7. That means 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. Therefore x value is 7. Thus the required numbers are positive number 7 and the other number is 5 times the another number, right? So that 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Therefore the required numbers are 7 and 35. Children, I hope you understood this. Once again, consider the positive number as x, another number as 5x. Children, the first condition is if 21 is added to both the numbers, x plus 21, 5x plus 21. Then the second condition is one of the new number becomes the twice the other number. One of the new number, that means 5x plus 21 becomes the twice the other number, 2 times x plus 21. 5x plus 21 equals to 2 times the x plus 21. Let us simplify this. 5x plus 21 equals to 2 into x, 2x plus into plus plus, 2 21s are 42. So 5x minus 2x equals to 42 plus 21 comes this side means it becomes minus 21. In 5x 2x goes means 3x equals to, in 42 21 goes means we'll get 21. 3x equals to 21. X equals to 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 7. Children, so that the required numbers are 7 and 7 5s are 35. 7 and 35 are the required numbers. I hope you understood this problem, children. Let us move on to the next one. Yes, comes to question number 3. Children, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. That means, children, if the let us consider the 2-digit number as 45. This is not the answer, children. Just I am giving the example. Let us consider the 2-digit number 45. If we add these digits, that means 4 and 5. 4 plus 5, how much it is? 9. If we add the digits, the sum of the digits becomes 9. Children, 45 is not the right answer for this question. Just I am taking the example. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So if we consider the 2-digit number as 45, the sum of the digits means we want to add the digits in that number, 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. That is the meaning of this statement, children. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, interchanging the digits means here 45 is there. By interchanging the digits means we can write it as 54. That means 5 and 4 replaces their positions. 5 comes to the 1's place, and 5 goes to the 10's place and 4 comes to the 1's place. So when we interchange the digits, I hope you understood the meaning of interchange the digits. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Greater than, that means it is more than the original number by 27. Then we want to find which is the 2-digit number. What is that 2-digit number? Children, here we don't know the number in 1's place and in 10's place. So let the units place digit as x. You know, in 2-digit number there are 2 places, 1's place and 10's place. We can also say it as units place and 10's place. Children, let the units place digit as x. Then 10's place digit becomes 9 minus x, because the sum of the digits is 9. So if it is x, in 9 x goes means the remaining digit comes to the 10's place. So that, children, the units place digit is considered as x. Then the digit in the 10's place is considered as 9 minus x. Then the original number is x plus 10 into 9 minus x. Children, original number is x plus 10 into 9 minus x. From where this 10 comes means, see, 9 minus x is there in 10's place. 9 minus x is the face value. Its place value, it is in 10's place. So that its place value is, we want to multiply that number with 10. So x plus 10 into 9 minus x. X is units place digit, children, plus in 10's place 9 minus x is there. By its place we want to multiply with it by 10. So x plus 10 into 9 minus x is the this is the original number. Then by interchanging the digits, means see, x units place x comes to the 10's place, then 9 minus x goes to the units place. So that by interchanging 10x plus 9 minus x, see, children, 10x means, see, x is in 10's place, so that we want to consider it as 10x plus 9 minus x. Now it is in 1's place, so that no need to multiply this number with 10. Write down the 9 minus x. By interchanging the digits, we can write it as 10x plus 9 minus x. I hope you understood, children. Original number is x plus 10 into 9 minus x. Second, that means after interchanging the digits, the number becomes 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x plus 9 minus x. Here, the digit in the tens place must be multiplied with 10 because it is in tens place, so its place value becomes, it rises to 10 times. Then children, the condition two is new number. See here, they said the new number is equal to original number plus 27. By interchanging the digits, the new number obtained is equal to original number plus 27. That means it is greater than original number and it is greater than 27. Children, let us consider the new number as 10x plus 9 minus x. After interchanging the digits, the new number obtained is 10x plus 9 minus x, which is equal to original number is x plus 10 into 9 minus x, which is equal to 27, plus 9 minus x is equal to x plus into plus plus 10 nines are 90 plus into minus minus 10x 10 into x 10x plus 27. Children, 10x minus 1x means 9x plus 9 is equal to, see here, 1x minus 10x is there, minus 10x plus 1x. When we need to subtract, in 10x 1x goes means we'll get 9x, but 10x is the greater term, its sign is minus, so it carries minus 9x plus 90 plus 27 means it becomes plus 117. Children, on transposing the digits, 9x minus 9x transposes to this side means it becomes plus 9x. 9x plus 9x equals to 117, plus 9 comes to this side means it becomes minus 9. 9x plus 9x equals to 117 minus 9. 9x means 9x plus 9x means 18x. 9 plus 9, 18x equals to, in 117 9 goes means we'll get 108. X equals to 108 divided by 18. If we transpose this 18 to this side, it comes to the division. So, x equals to 108 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18 6 are 108. So, that x value becomes 6, children. X value is 6. Therefore, the number in the units place digit is 6 and tens place digit is 9 minus x. Right, children? In the tens place digit is 9 minus x. 9 minus x is 3 no, x is 6 no. So that 9 minus 6. In 9 6 goes means we'll get 3. So tens place digit is 3. Thus the required number is 6 plus 3 into 10. 3 into 10 means it is in tens place. So that 6 plus 3 into 10, which is equal to 6 plus 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 6, 36 is the required solution. Children, think of this problem, children. Once or twice you think, then you will understand this. It is quite difficult to convert the statement into equation. You want to know the general forms of expressing the number in their general forms. Then you can do it very easily. I hope you understood. Repeat once again, then you understand, children. Let us move on to the next question. So children, the question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. One of the two digits. In a two-digit numbers, there are two digits, no children. In those two digits, one of the number is 3 times the other digit. One of the digit is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number, and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Children, let us consider the unit place number as x. Then tens place number becomes 3x. They said one of the digit is 3 times the other digit. So that if we consider the one of the digit as x, then the other digit becomes 3x. Let us consider the ones place digit as x and the tens place digit as 3x. X, 3x. After interchanging the digits, it becomes x. That means ones place x comes to the tens place and 3x goes to the ones place. So that by interchanging the digits of this two-digit number and adding the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Children, let us take the first condition, original number first. Original number is x plus 3x into 10. Children, because see here, this is the original number, x plus 3x. X is in ones place, 3x is in tens place. X is in ones place, so that write on the x as it is, plus 3x. 3x is in tens place, so that 3x into 10. Children, did you understand why this 10? I used to take the 10 here. Children, 3x is in tens place. So that x plus 3x into 10, which is equal to x plus 3 tens are 30x, which is equal to 1x plus 30x, 31x. If we, for original number, what is the original number? Number means 31x. If we consider the digit in ones place as x and tens place as 3x, then the original number becomes x plus 3x into 10. X plus 3 tens are 30x. 1x plus 30x becomes 31x. Then children, see, according to the condition 1, after interchanging the digits, see when we interchange the digits, x comes to the tens place and 3x goes to the ones place. So x is in tens place, so that let us take 10x plus 3x is in ones place, so that write on the 3x as it is. 10x plus 3x equals to 13x. This 13x is obtained after interchanging the digits. Then they set the condition as the new number plus original number is equal to 88. The new number plus original number is 88. Children, new number is 13x plus original number is 31x equals to 88. 31x plus 13x equals to 44x. 44x equal to 88. X is equal to 88 divided by 44. 44 ones are 44, 44 twos are 88. So x value is equal to 2. Thus, the original number is 31x. 31 into 2, 31 twos are 62. Hence, the required number is 62. Children, I hope you understood this. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Come to the question number 5, children. See, it is the question based on the age of a person and mother. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. What is the Shobo's present age? Her mother's age is 6 times that present age. So that if we consider the present age of Shobo as x years, then the present age of mother becomes 6x years. Then Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Shobo's age after 5 years, Shobo's age is x plus 5 years. Then it is equal to 1/3 of his mother's age. 1/3 of his mother's age means 1/3 into 6x. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age. Present age is 6. Mother's present age is 6x. So that 1/3 of mother's present age means 1/3 into 6x. Let us find the present ages. Children, let the Shobo's present age as x years and Shobo's mother's age as 6x years. After 5 years, Shobo's age will be x plus 5 years. As I said, if Shobo is now 10 years old, after 5 years her age is 10 plus 5, 15 years. In the same way, so if we consider the Shobo's present age as x years, then after 5 years her age becomes x plus 5 years. As per the condition, x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of 6 into x. X plus 5 equals to 1/3 into 6x. 3 ones are, children here say, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Then children, write down the x plus 5 as it is, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 into x, 2x itself. X plus 5 equals to 2x is the simplified form of the linear equation. 5 equals to 2x plus x comes this side, means it becomes minus x. 5 equals to 2x minus x. 2x minus x means into x, x goes means we'll get x. So x equals to 5. Hence, Shobo's present age is x years, right children? X means its value is 5. So that Shobo's present age is 5 years and Shobo's mother's age is 6x years. 6x means 6 into 5, which is equal to 6 5s are 30 years. It is very simple problem, children. I hope you understood this. Thank you, children. This is the half part of your exercise 2.4. I will continue the remaining problems in the next exercise. Thank you, one and all.